A boiling coolant reservoir is a critical warning sign that your engine's cooling system is overheating, causing the coolant to vaporize and create visible bubbling. To understand this problem, we need to see how a normal cooling system works. Coolant circulates from the engine to the radiator where it's cooled, then returns to keep the engine at proper operating temperature. There are four primary causes of boiling coolant reservoirs in modern vehicles. First, engine overheating due to component failures like a stuck thermostat, failed water pump, or blocked radiator. Second, cooling system pressure loss from serious internal engine problems like a blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head, or a faulty pressure cap that can't maintain proper system pressure. Third, coolant system contamination from air pockets that prevent proper circulation, oil contamination from internal leaks, or debris blockage that restricts coolant flow. Finally, component failures, such as a malfunctioning radiator fan that can't provide adequate airflow, or a faulty temperature sensor that gives incorrect readings to the engine management system. Understanding these causes is crucial because a boiling coolant reservoir indicates your engine is at risk of severe damage. Immediate action is required to prevent costly repairs and ensure your safety on the road. When you notice your coolant reservoir boiling, immediate action is critical to prevent serious engine damage. First, stop driving immediately. Continuing to drive with boiling coolant can cause catastrophic engine failure within minutes. Allow the engine to cool completely before checking coolant levels or inspecting for leaks. Hot coolant can cause severe burns. For proper diagnosis and repair, professional testing equipment is essential to identify the root cause. Professional diagnosis involves comprehensive testing using modern equipment to pinpoint the exact problem. Modern testing equipment can detect issues like head gasket failures, thermostat problems, and cooling system leaks with high accuracy. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can prevent most cooling system failures. Watch your temperature gauge closely. Modern vehicles provide early warning signs before serious damage occurs. Following these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will help you avoid costly repairs and keep your cooling system running efficiently.